Today's video is all about how to make the most fluffiest body butter without all the extra greasiness. In this video, I'll be making black raspberry vanilla body butter. This recipe is fairly simple to follow, and the best part is you only need 3 ingredients: a base butter, in my case avocado butter, an oil, and arrowroot powder. This recipe makes one 4-ounce jar with a little bit left over, which I use for samples. I'll also be linking it in the description box. Let's get started. You'll want to first start by measuring 4 ounces of your choice of butter. I use avocado butter in all of my body butters. Once it's measured, melt it over the stove using the double boiler method. The double boiler method is where you place your glass measuring container into a pan filled with water and turn the stove on medium heat. While your butter is melting, add your other oils and any other ingredients. I use white beeswax in my body butters to help solidify the texture even more since I ship my products, but you can skip this ingredient if you don't have any on hand or you don't want any in your recipe. Once all oils and butters have been combined and are now melting, stir occasionally until everything is completely melted. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want to use a microwave to melt your butter because it can ruin the final product. Once everything has been completely melted using the double boiler method, pour the melted oils into a large bowl and place it into the fridge until everything has re-solidified. Once your body butter has re-solidified in the refrigerator, take it out and begin mixing using a hand mixer. Mix until you notice a creamy-like texture. This should take anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. Don't worry if you think the texture is too hard. It'll soften up more as you mix later. Add the arrowroot powder and fold the body butter mixture over it. Arrowroot powder helps to make the body butter less greasy. If you don't have arrowroot powder, you can use cornstarch instead. Once you've added the arrowroot powder, mix again until you see no lumps of butter and all the powder is completely combined. This will take a couple of minutes and you should start to notice the body butter becoming softer. If you're only using one color, you can leave the mixture in the original bowl that you mixed in, but for my body butter, I use 2 colors, so I split the batch equally using 2 separate bowls. Add your choice of fragrance oil. In my case, I use black raspberry vanilla from Nature's Garden. You can actually add your fragrance oil at the point you add the arrowroot powder. I just forgot to, so I had to add it at this step. Add your color and mix it in using a spoon or a whisk first. After you've mixed your color in using a spoon, use the hand mixer again to ensure everything is completely mixed in and that there are no little bumps of avocado butter. This will be the last and final mix, so make sure to mix it good. You'll also notice at this point that the butter has softened quite a bit and is now ready to be piped. This is the consistency your body butter should be before piping. If you still see tiny bumps of butter, you'll want to make sure to mix again. You'll now want to pipe it into your jar. This recipe made exactly enough for one 4-ounce jar and one 1-ounce sample, which I'll be sending out with my next order. The smell is amazing and has a soft, girly, fruity scent. This recipe is very moisturizing without all the extra greasiness. Here's the completed body butter. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.